Hi, this is Chuck Hughes. I wanted to talk today about a timing indicator I use that helps me select an entry point for stock and option trades. Now, with today's volatile markets, we can have wide price swings in stocks, um, and on any given day, we could have a stock go up or down 10% in one day. So in this type of a market, it's very important that you time your entry for a trade so that you have a high probability of success. So I'm going to show you the indicator I use, and this timing indicator helped me produce over $1.1 million in actual profits with no losing trades. So this can be a very helpful tool in timing your entry points. Now, my trade selection process involves three steps. The first step is to determine the price trend. If we want to purchase a stock, I use my trend following systems to help me determine if the stock is in a price uptrend. And also, if I'm trading options, I need to know the price trend to determine whether I'm going to buy call or put options. So after I determine the price trend, the next step would be to confirm the price trend. And I use several indicators that confirm the price trend, such as on-balance volume and the new 52-week high list. So once I determine the trend and I confirm it, then I use the Keltner channels to help me select my entry point. So the Keltner channels function basically as overbought, oversold indicators. The stock price is plotted against the upper channel and the middle channel and lower channel. And if the stock price gets up near the upper channel or trades above the upper channel, it's an indication that the stock is overbought. And if the stock trades near the lower channel, it's an indication that the stock is becoming oversold. So when I'm looking at purchasing a stock or a call option, I'll check the Keltner channels, and I don't want to buy when the stock is trading near the upper channel or above the upper channel, because the odds are when the stock becomes overbought, it will correct and you can get a much better entry, a much lower risk entry, and a high probability entry if you wait until the stock is trading near the middle or lower channel. Now let's take a look at some actual trades I took using the Keltner channels. I'm displaying some brokerage confirmations that show purchases of Apple stock. And below the brokerage confirmations, I have the Keltner channels plotted against the stock price. And I circled the days that I purchased Apple stock. And I purchased the stock when it was trading near the middle or lower channel. And this gave me a low risk entry and an entry with a high probability of success. So let's take a look at a few more examples of how we can use the Keltner channels to help us time our entry point. This is a price graph of U.S. steel, and whenever the U.S. steel stock closes below the lower Keltner channel, there was a significant rally following this oversold condition. So this doesn't happen very often, but it's usually a great setup for a high probability trade whenever the stock closes below the lower Keltner channel. So you want to watch for that, as this is a great opportunity, buying opportunity. And I'd say there's probably better than 90% chance that you're going to get a significant rally after this setup occurs. So you want to keep your eye out for this type of signal. Now here's another example of using the Keltner channels to help select our entry point. This is for Akamai stock, which is one of the cloud computing stocks. And you can see a few weeks ago, Akamai stock closed below the lower Keltner channel, and that set up a great buying opportunity for this stock. Akamai just reported earnings tonight, and they had a significant beat. So this stock will probably rally even further. And here's another example for the gold ETF. Again, when the gold ETF is trading close to the lower channel or below the lower channel, it's usually a great setup for a significant rally going forward. And here's another example of the Keltner channels for Chevron stock. And you can see when the stock is trading near or below the lower channel, it's oversold and usually represents a great buying opportunity with a significant rally to follow. And when it gets above the upper channel, it's overbought, and there's usually a price decline after this overbought condition. So the Keltner channels are very helpful in helping us time our entry so that we can get a low risk entry and help raise our probability of success. Now I use the Keltner channels to help select trades, stock and option trades, for my Inner Circle advisory service, and I'm displaying the current open trade results for the stock portfolio, and you can see we're having a very successful year. We have over $173,000 in open trade profits, an average return of 68%, and 96% of the trades are currently profitable. In addition to the stock portfolio, I also make trading recommendations for 4 other stock and option portfolios for my Inner Circle advisory service. And currently we have over $620,000 in open trade profits with an average return of 62%. So we're having a great year so far. If you want more information on the Inner Circle Advisory Service, you can log on to chuckhughesic.com. And lastly, I'm displaying my current and recent profit results. The brokerage confirmations I'll be displaying show over $1.1 million in profits and no losing trades. So the trade selection process has worked very well this year, and I hope you gain some valuable information in this video. This is Chuck Hughes. Thanks for listening.